motorcycles, unique people, and an unforgettable atmosphere. Today I'll show you Daytona Bike Week as it is, so you can see whether or not if it's better to just stay home or if it's worth to plan a visit down here next year. My name is Dasha, and this is my channel about motorcycles. Today I'm out in Daytona, so let's begin.
Welcome to Daytona's beach, world's most famous beach. Let's go check it out. As you can see, there's not that many people here, but we shouldn't be here anyways. Welcome to Daytona Beach. It's the 83rd annual Bike Week. We're here to have a good time. One thing I really like about Bike Week, you have people of all ages here, young and old.
There's an average of 500,000 annual attendance to Daytona Bike Week. Bikers from all around America bring their incredible projects to show off. Here you can see one-of-a-kind motorcycles, and regardless of the price range and build quality, you're able to recognize the embodiment of the owner's personality in each and every one of them.
I really want to make a video about Moto one day. Very rare, very rare. Gives really strong cholo vibes.
The uniqueness of this rally is not just in the motorcycles, but in the folks who come here to have a memorable time.
Some people think they're a little too cool for Bike Week, but let me tell you, oh look, it's Joe Biden. And we got Donald Trump. As I was saying, some people think they're a little too cool for Bike Week, but let me tell you, it's all types of people here, and the vibe is just very much alive, and it's really fun, much more funner than people make it seem. It's really worth coming out at least once. And we even got some electric motorcycles for those who like the electric type. Just kidding, bicycles. If I weren't the girls, that'd be my type of girl, real quiet. Good thing I'm not. This all started with it being the 200 Daytona, which is a 200-mile motorcycle race, and that's how this annual party started. But I don't think most of these people even go to the 200 Daytona to even check it out. They're just here to have a good time. But in reality, that's where this was all started from 83 years ago. The more you know.
Semi-nude waitresses can be found beside the street preachers. There's a diverse contrast of people in Daytona Beach.
It's raining a bit, so it's time to get another beer.
The party doesn't stop when the rain starts. Under the tents, you can find live, soulful country music. One thing I noticed between the difference in generations here is that while the younger generation typically had their phones in hand, the older folks had a cigar and a bottle of beer or a glass of whiskey.
Cheers to all the bikers. I guess this is the best type of artwork if you're gonna sell at Bike Week. America, guns, cars, it's all in the vibe.
Here you can find thousands of souvenirs, starting from t-shirts and custom patches, all the way to impressive blades and axes. Just as well, as soon as you get on Main Street, you can smell the tempting street food vendors.
One day I'll have one of those, the 100-year anniversary sports foods. Why not get a tattoo on Bike Week? As you can see, it's nighttime, so the energy is a little higher now. All right, let's keep going.
Set your 48. Put it down, down. Put it down on me. Put it down, down. Put it down on me.
The energy is really intoxicating here, as you can see. Between the bikes and the people, it's just really great vibe out here. A thing like motorcycles is what brings us all together, so it's pretty cool that we have events and rallies like Daytona Bike Week that bring us all together to love and enjoy what we all like. Motorcycles, that is.